What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's Jack. It is Sunday. It is almost lunchtime, and we're gonna try to do 10 hours today and see what we can come up with. Past couple videos have been kind of put on hold because I didn't really get to work this week. The past couple of weeks have also been pretty bad, so hopefully that turns around today. Maybe people haven't been ordering out as much because it's the holidays. Who knows? Anyways, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification icon so you get notified every time I make a new video, and see what I can do today. All right, just left McDonald's. Took like, I don't know, 10 minutes to get an order. So one was for $5.25, going just over a mile. So we're gonna go knock this one out and hope it keeps up like this. So just dropped off that McDonald's, $5.25. Hey. Headed back over to where I wait for orders. Got an order that's like 6 miles, which is a little out of what I normally do, but it's for $9.77. So I feel like that's a % tip, and it's from Red Lobster, and it's got several items. So there's a good chance that that one will have an extra little tip. So we're gonna grab that, take it and drop it off, and see how that goes. And I will let you know if I'm surprised or if I'm happy with $9.77. All right, so we just got to Red Lobster, ran in. The order was already ready. So now we are going over to Ramsey's to pick up another order that was $6 and something for 3 miles, but it is on the way back from where this other delivery is going. So that $9.77 just went from good to great because I'm going a little further than I like, bringing me back in the right direction with this other order from Ramsey's, and then I'll be back over in my area. So that makes it so worth it. All right, so we got over to Ramsey's and went in there, and the order was ready. So yeah, no extra time at all, just doing the driving at this point. So let's go see how this goes. All right, so dropped off the Ramsey's order that I thought was gonna be $6.25, and it was $7.50. So so far so good. We're $1.25 more than we thought we were. So all right. All right, so we dropped off to Red Lobster. There wasn't any extra money on it, but that's okay. So far for the first hour, we have made $22.75, which I am totally okay with. Hope that keeps up for the rest of the day. We're gonna head back over to where we wait for orders. We're about, I don't know, 4 miles away from where I want to be. So I'm gonna pause orders and head over there, and I'll check back in when I get something else. Just had another McDonald's, said $6.25, picked it up, came down the street, dropped it off. It was $7.25. Oh yeah. All right, yeah. So had another McDonald's order, knocked it out real quick. So it's been about, let's see, an hour and, come on clock, hour and a half, and we're right at 30 bucks. So been pretty good so far. All right, let's keep it up. Took us a couple of minutes of sitting here, but we got an order for a Mexican restaurant called El Mariachi that I'm like across the street from. That's $5.75 for a mile. So we're grabbing that. We're gonna go knock that out, and yeah. All right. So we were kind of slow there for a little bit, but like, what can you do? It's after lunch now, so now we're just waiting for dinner, boy. Well, that was an incredibly easy $5.75. Just throwing that out there. Anyway, yeah, here's hoping we get a lot more of those kind of orders where it's just super easy and barely an inconvenience, and make all the money for the rest of the day. So came back over, was hanging out at McDonald's, just kind of waiting for an order, and we got one from Drake's, which is the sit-down restaurant that I love so much that I just gush about every freaking day. It's $9 for 5.5 miles, a little further than I would normally take, but I like delivering for them, and it's going around one of the roads where it's like 55 miles an hour the entire time. So I can't really complain. I get a bajillion miles per gallon, and yeah, so we're gonna knock that one out right quick. All right, so that one wound up being $10.25 instead of $9 and I think just $9. I don't remember. You can rewind a little bit if you don't remember, since it's only been a couple of seconds. You know, it's fine. So it was 5.5 miles. It took about 20 minutes total. I'll trade 20 minutes for $10 most days of the week. Seems pretty good to me. So yeah, now we're headed back over. I am a little bit out of where I like to wait for orders, so I'm pausing, and I might swing by McDonald's and grab a drink and some chicken nugs or something. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Well, the plan was to work 10 hours today, and we didn't work 10 hours today, so I don't know if I'm going to post this video, but we'll see. I got to head home, so yeah, so I don't know. It was fun. We made $45 in 3 hours, so $15 an hour. Not the best, not the worst. You know, we'll take it. We'll take it.